Hello and welcome to my bonus video. Today we're going to be setting up the animation blueprint and blend space for our character. We will be using the modular RPG Heroes poly art. So let's do that. So we're going to right click in our character folder. We're going to go to blueprints. Well, we're going to go to animation. We're going to add an animation blueprint. And we're going to add it for the modular RPG Heroes poly art mesh. So let's do that. We'll call this my character animbp, and then we'll go into animation, add a blend space, also for the modular RPG Heroes skeleton, and call this my character BS. So let's go into the blend space. We're going to go into the blend space and we're going to type in idle in the asset browser, and we're going to get an idle no weapon and just plug that all in at the bottom. Then we're going to go ahead and search for a walk. Get a walk, no weapon, if I can find it. Normal walk, no weapon, that will do. And then next we're going to look for a run animation. So let's do that. Type in run, normal run, no weapon, that will do. Set it up just like that, and we're going to go over to the horizontal axis, rename it to direction, minimum being negative 180 and the maximum being 180, and then we'll go to the vertical axis, rename it to speed, and the maximum we'll set to 600. Save and close the blend space. Going to the character animation BP, we're going to right click, add a state machine, plug that in like such, double click on our state machine, then we're going to go down and add our blend space, drag in like such, go into the blend space, drag off of direction, promote it to a variable, call it direction, drag off of speed, promote it to a variable, call it speed, compile, head over to your event graph, drag off and say is valid. Off of the input object we're going to do a try get pawn owner, then we're going to get the velocity, then we're going to get the vector's length, so vector length, and we will set our speed to the vector length. So compile and save, and that should be our animation blueprint all set up. Just let me double check. Yeah, it looks to be okay. So we'll go into my character, we'll click on the mesh, change the skeleton to whatever skeleton we want to use. Let's make it a Templar, and let's change his animation blueprint to the character animation blueprint, compile and save, and we're going to go ahead and do the same for the AI. We'll just use a different mesh, so we'll use a soldier for the AI, and we'll put on the same animation blueprint, compile and save. That seems to be working. Then we'll head over to our character and we'll go to the event graph and we'll set an animation to play here. So let's do an attack animation because we're playing a magic animation to do a magic attack. So I'll choose magic wand, compile, And that's all we needed to do there. We'll go over and just check through all of these where we play animations. So we're playing animations on attack move 1. We'll set it to anything really for now. So I'm just gonna go down and set it to combo, sword and shield. And then I'll go on to attack move 2. Do exactly the same thing, just a different combo. Attack move 3. And same story, just a different combo. Attack move 4. And that, I think, will be it for our animation setup. So that's our animation setup for our character. Let's set up the AI's animation. So let's head over to the event graph on the AI. Okay, first of all, off of the false, this would be, I think this is the hit reaction, yes. So get hit, and then a little bit further on, this is his actual attack. So I'll just do attack and magic wand, and I think that is all of it set up. Let's go and have a look. Let's just run away from that guy, he's not set up. Okay, so you can see the HP. We can now go in for an attack, and he goes in and attacks, and he gets hurt, and he comes in and attacks us. We didn't set up our hit reaction, so let's do that quickly. Inside of the battle widget, I think it's inside the battle widget. No, it has to be inside our character, sorry. Inside of the character, on event any damage, we need to set the animation for hit reaction. So hit by double sword, whatever. And let's test this out. So we can attack him, he gets hit, he attacks us, we get hit, and it's the next turn. And we can use our items. I didn't set up the animation for the item. We're learning. So add stats should be over here, yeah. Let's set up animation for using an item. Just anything really for now. This is all just debugging. Let's just use that. Okay, compile, save, and play, and we should be good in the hood. So our attack is working on all the different attacks. Our potions are working, the animations, and our magic is also working. We just need to set up the particle systems like we did now with the animations. Alright, so thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.